All right, so stainless steel, laser cut, fold products that we've got here. Very similar to the other fire pit, except it's got one unique difference. The theme being it is for a fire pit, it is laser cut, precision fold, same sort of process. That's all off the back of the same R&D and development that's done through Thorburns. But what's so different about this fire pit versus the old one?
Well,
or the other one rather.
Yeah, we just saw a little gap there where a lot of people that don't carry a spare wheel on the back of their ute, but they carry the dual jerry can holder.
Yeah, right.
So we've designed this product that slips over your dual jerry can holder. So it's allowing more people essentially to have one of these fire pits and rear wheel shelf at the same time.
Yeah, magic. And I mean, touching on the older ones, if you're a shorter fella, can you use it as a stand?
That
or,
one still,
yeah?
you can still use it as a step.
I'm not saying you're short,
nah,
but...
yeah, sure. that one you can definitely still use as a step and a rear wheel shelf as well. So they're 4-in-1 these. You got your cook and plate, you got basic uses of fire pit, a shelf and a step.
Yeah,
so.
right. And was that the purpose? Because obviously, again, coming back to that laser cut and fold, like it's quite an accurate finish, but is that what these reliefs are for? Like, what was the purpose of them?
So these come about knowing that we wanted to have an open grill. These will actually be 4 stainless steel rods that will slide across the top of it and allow you to have that open grill cook.
Slipping in and out.
Yep.
Yeah, magic. That's cool.
Easy to pack up, no screwing, no bolting together or anything like that. So
yeah, magic. Look, I suppose with this product, for us, the process is the same. It comes off the back of the R&D and the quality. Obviously, Brody mentioned before, they got the 3D scanner, developing a great product. From there, it's still the same for us. You know, whether it be attacking these awesome fire pits, or if it's an engineered product of a different application. But the idea being for us is simple. We laser cut with the same amount of quality. The guys, once they've developed it, they're cutting it to size, including all the tolerances for folding. We're folding it in the press brake. We've got to be able to produce these not only for the first one, but for the 100th. We have to create the same quality so they can rely on the product, because their customers are chasing quality, which is ultimately why people are using Thor Offroad.
that's exactly why we teamed up with you guys.